students, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this feed guide in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my Ko-Fi shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. Here I have created my body, and I will on my origin plane and select this front plane and click on the sketch and hide my origin plane. Now here I will create the two circles. So outer radius is R30, so we will select diameter and give the radial dimension of a 30, and inner one is of diameter 40, so we will select the diameter constraint and give it 40. And now I will move it, and now I will draw the tangential line. So first I will draw the 4 lines, and this one I will make it vertical. Now add the tangency relation, so I will select this and add the tangent. Select this and add the coincidence. Select this one and add the tangent, and this and add the coincidence. Similarly this tangent and this diameter, add the coincidence. This and this, add the tangent. Select the point and add the coincidence. And now I will create a rough profile like our shape. Similarly on the other side. So next time I will select the polyline, make this horizontal and this one vertical. Now I will move it. We will select a trim option, trim the geometry. So this is look like our profile. Now we will give the dimension and we will constrain it. We will select this point and this point and give the dimension of 80, which we can see here. Thickness is of 10 mm, so we will select it, give the 10 mm. Select this one, give the 10 mm dimension. And this will be the 48. And we will move it to the inside because it is a 40 and here is a R16, so 48. And I will move it, and this one is the 35. So from this point to this point, 35. And now you can see that it is unconstrained because we have not given the dimension from the center. So this 35 is from the center, so we will select this and this and give the 35. And from this edge to this edge is 17, so select this point and this point and give the 17 mm. Now thickness is of 10 mm, so we will select this and this and add the 10 mm. And from origin to the end point is 80, 50 plus 30. I will move it. So you can see that we have a fully constrained sketch. Now we will come out of the sketch, click on the pad, and total extrusion is of a 64. And from here click on symmetric to the plane, switch to the isometric, click on OK. Now the next feature we will create is the cut. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and now I will project the geometry, this one and this one, and switch to the top plane. And now I will create a triangular profile. Let me rotate my model, and now select the line, and create a triangular profile. And this point and this point would be symmetric, so I will select the symmetricity, select this one and this one, and now I will add the dimension of 25 mm. And this is the 48, so I will switch to the wireframe select this and this and give the dimension 48. Now I will select this one and this one and add the vertical relation. Click on OK. Now from here we will switch to the flat lines. We will click on the pocket tool and material we will remove through all. Say OK. Now our next feature is to give these two fillets. So we will click on the fillet, select this edge, and this is the R16. Click on OK. Now we will create this slotted cut. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric and then right view. Now I will project this to arc and click on the slot tool to centered slot and create a slot, and this slot width is of 17.5. so I will select this point and this point and give the dimension 17.5. Our sketch is fully constrained. We will come out of the sketch, click on the pocket tool and from here say up to face, and we will select this inside face. Now we will move to the next feature. Our next feature is to create this cut. So for this I will select the face and create a sketch, switch to the isometric and we will project this edge and we will switch to the normal view. Now I will simply select a 2-point rectangle and I will delete this line and click on the 3-point arc and create a arc. Click on the tangency relation. We will add the tangent to this and this, and this slot of 10 mm, so we will give the horizontal dimension of 10 mm, and from the center this slot is at 50. So from here we will switch to the wireframe so that we can see the origin point. Select the horizontal, select this and give the dimension of 50 mm, and from edge the slot center is of 13 mm. So we will select this point and add the 13 mm. So we have a fully constrained sketch. Now we will click on the pocket tool and from here we will say through all, say OK. Now the next feature which we will create is to create this cut. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and now I will project my geometry and I simply create a rectangle and I will click on the symmetric constraint and I will make these 2 points symmetric. Select the line, select the dimension and give it a 13 mm, and from the edge it is a 9.5, so give the 9.5. Click on close, click on the pocket and say it through all, say OK. So we have made the all major features. Now here is a common note that fillet and round off the R3. So we will give the fillet to the suitable location. So I will select this edge, this edge, this and this, remove, and fillet of R3, click on OK. We will also add the fillet here, so we will click on the edit fillet, click on the select, and also select this edge, click on OK. So this is all about this tutorial, how to model feed guide in FreeCAD with the help of a Part Design Workbench. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.